this little herb sauce, okay? So what this herb sauce is, all this is olive oil, salt, pepper, fresh chives, and basil. And I'm gonna show you how I made that. All I did was, I won't even put it in the Vitamix for you, I'll just give you a sec. Just chop this up a tiny bit. You don't even really need to chop it up much at all. You don't even have to really chop it up if you're throwing it into the Vitamix, but I'm just showing you that. If you want to, take some basil, right like this, and then take the olive oil. Where's my olive oil? Oh, olive oil, right here. Just pour that in here, like this, and I use about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. So I would just do that and throw this all into, obviously that's not a 1/4 cup, I'm doing this fast for you here, but just you could throw it into a little thing like this even ahead of time and then throw it into the Vitamix if you want to make it fresh. Super, super, super easy to make that sauce. And then, like I said, I just made a little bit right here just to show you, but you can make a big old batch of it as well, save it for the week, and then you'll have this is one of your items that you can make again on Sunday night. You can add it to your farro, you can add it to drizzle it on roasted veggies. You can really do a lot of things with this great little sauce.